Welcome to my channel. This video is about introduction to Power BI. This video is all about how to use Power BI and about the analysis I have done. It is guided by our Professor Chandrasi Parmar sir. So let's start it with an overview. Why data analytics and data analysis is important in today's world. Today we have a huge amount of data to deal with. It is not an easy task to sit upon the data, read each one line by line manually, and interpret something. We need something which is powerful enough to do it automatically. So here comes the introduction of power tools like Power BI for data analytics, applying visualization, and much more. Data analysis organizes, interprets, structures, and presents data into useful information that provides context for data. Now, what is Power BI? Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Whether your data is a simple Excel spreadsheet or a collection of data from different data sources. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize what's important, and share that with anyone or everyone you want. Second, why did I choose Power BI? First thing, it is provided by a very trusted brand that is Microsoft. Why did I choose Power BI? So you'll be able to get insights quickly with an uncompleted, complicated setup, no required training, and included dashboards for service such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Microsoft Dynamics. Second will be instead of emailing large files or putting them on a shared drive, analysts upload reports and visualizations to the Power BI service. The data is rephrased whenever the underlying data set is updated. Dashboards update in real time as data is pushed or streamed in, which gives viewers the ability to solve problems and identify opportunities quickly. Any report or dashboard can display and update real-time data and visual sources of streaming data can be factory sensors, social media sources, or anything from which time-sensitive data can be collected or transmitted. It will take your account, that is company account, and link it with your company colleagues. So it makes an easy way to share reports, projects, and work on the same files simultaneously. Now, let's go on to the demonstration of the tool. Now, let me show you my data first. I have taken the data of the vaccination done in the April 2021. My data is about the each state in India and the population in it. Those who have taken the dose one, taken dose two, cumulative dose, and first dose, at least first dose percentage and percentage fully vaccinated. This is my data, and now I'll show you the demonstration of this data by the use of that Power BI tool. Now let's get started with the Power BI tool. First of all, I'll log in with my Marva University account. It will not allow you to log in with your personal mail ID, as it helps to ensure that you remain with me and provide them something really good with your data visualization and interpretation. As I don't have any company email, I have used my Marva University email to log in with it. It has a very good authentication that it keeps you safe and secure. And even though it asks you that do you do this to reduce the number of times you're asked to sign in. By clicking on yes, you'll not be able. You will not need to log in again and again by entering your password. This is my home. This is my workspace. And this is the home page of the Power BI. Getting started with Power BI. This is Power BI Basics. You can watch this. You can watch all these videos as you are a beginner. I do watch these videos for that. These are some of the sample reports you want to see. Let's see one of the sample report. I have opened this sample report and first I have analyzed it before entering my data into it. You can even edit it by clicking on the edit button. You'll see there are so many visualizations over here. And as you click on it, you can see that all the data is also given in it. Every type of data you can add in it, you can subtract any field, you can add any field. Now let us go back to favorites. I don't have any favorites over here, but you can add your favorite reports, favorite workspaces, any of the thing you can add in the favorites. Now let us go with the apps. Let us see what we have in it. So an app is a Power BI content that combines related dashboards and reports all in one place. An app can have one or more dashboards and one or more reports, all bundled together. Apps are created by Power BI designers who distribute and share the apps with business users like you. One way to view your app is to select app from the nav pane and choose an app to open. That is, I have clicked on get apps and you can see over here that there are so many apps which I can get. These are all the apps. These are some of the organizational apps, template apps. You can select any of it. Now, let's go to see how to get data into it. Now, let me click on get data. You can get the data from anywhere. You can even bring the files, bring in your reports, workbooks, or data from Excel, Power BI desktop, or CSV files. From anywhere you can get the data, databases. So now let's click on get files. So you can get any of the files, such as you can get the local file from your laptop itself. You can get the OneDrive file of the business if any of your colleagues have shared to you. You can get it from your personal drive as well. You can even get your important documents as well. So I have my file on the laptop and I can select from it. I have already uploaded my file into it, but let me show you one demo by inserting one more file to it. That is, let me insert my data again. I'll take this statewide vaccination or else new data. This is my data only. Let me import it again. So it will ask me that you already have a data set name, new data vaccination in Power BI. Do you want to replace the existing data set with the one? I already have it, so I won't replace it. You can replace it if you want. This is my workspace and this is my opportunity analysis sample report, which I have shown you before some time. I have first worked on it as a sample and then I have created my own data. So now let's go to my data report. I have shown you my data is all about the vaccination took place in the last month, that is of April 2021. This is my report and let's analyze my report one by one. So first of all, you can even share this report. You can even chat in Teams as if you're working with your colleagues, then you can continuously chat in the Teams of this. Even you can comment on it. Even you can subscribe it, and from here you can even see adjust the size of it as it's right now fit to the page. You can even do it fit to the width. You can even do it to the actual size, and you can even do it to the full screen as your wish. I'll keep it fit to the page right now. So let's edit it. As you click on it, you'll get everything, every visualization over here. This is my clustered column chart. As I've clicked on it, it will give me the clustered column chart and all the data I have entered. This is also my clustered column chart. This both of the charts are of those comparison of those one and those two took place in every state of India. This is the average of those one. Average of those one is 1.17 million, and average of those two is 212.72K. This both you can clearly see the analysis, even though it gives a nice feature that if you click on Gujarat, one of the thing in the whole page, then it will show you every place marked on every graph. That is, we have the Gujarat over here, we have the Gujarat over here, we have the Gujarat here, and in this we have the Gujarat here. Again, if you click it anywhere else, then it will give you the normal view again. This is my graph of the population of the state. Population state-wise, that we can see over here that if we click, we'll keep the cursor on it. Uttar Pradesh have 16.51% population of total India. Maharashtra has 9.28. Gujarat has 4.99%. And if we'll keep the cursor anywhere over here, it will show you the percentage of at least the first dose. At least how many people have taken the first dose of the vaccination. This was my donut chart. Now we'll see that this is our area chart. This is our area chart of at least first dose percentage. Click on anywhere, you'll see that Uttarakhand has 4.78% of at least first dose vaccination. Then Chhattisgarh have 4.69%. West Bengal has 4.02. You can add, adjust anything from anywhere over here. If you have made any changes, you can save this report again so that it will not give you the work back. You'll not be able to do the work back. You can even put this in the reading view. Even you can again go to the mobile layout. Let's see mobile layout, how it looks in the mobile. See, this is my mobile layout. This is my web layout again. This is, I can see I can add the text from here. I can change the shapes of my graphs. Right now I have all the graphs in the rectangle shape. I can even do it in the oval shape. I can even do it in the triangle shape, line, arrow, whichever I like. I can refresh it, then it gives you all the functions, all the features in it. Even though it also shows you the updated time, that when I have updated it, on which date it was updated. Then I can switch over to the pages. That is, this is my second graph, and this is my second analysis. That is, it shows you the average of dose 1, dose 2, and percentage of fully vaccinated. This is my fully vaccinated percentage. And Let me show you. This is my graph of line and clustered column chart. And this light blue color gives me the average of those one. This dark blue color gives me the average of those two. And this line gives me the percentage of fully vaccinated people in India state-wise. I can click anywhere over here and I'll get the data. It's of Assam, then it's of Punjab, then it's of Haryana, I can say it's of Delhi, it's of Telangana. Now let me show you, and one of the best thing is you can rename this page, you can delete this page, you can duplicate this page, you can hide this page. Now my third part is comparison of pie charts between those one and those two. From this analysis, what I found was that vaccination done in dose one is more compared to dose two. Let me show you with one example. Let us take the example of Gujarat itself. This is comparison of Gujarat. This is dose one and this is dose two. First dose was taken by 8.66% people in Gujarat, that is around something 3 crores 75 lakhs 98,054 people. And in the second dose, it's 7.9 percentage. It's less than first one. Let's take another example. That is, let's take off Maharashtra. In this case also, first dose was taken by the 10% people of Maharashtra and second dose was taken by 8.54 people of Maharashtra. So by this analysis, I could find out that mostly, I can say 90% of the states has has less ratio in those two vaccination. Maybe maybe they are not understanding the importance of vaccination of those two, or some of them are scared by that if after the dose one they might have got the fever, they might came positive, so that they are afraid to take the dose two. There may be many reasons for it. Let us take my last data, that is cumulative dose data, and this is, I can say this is horizontal bar chart, and in this I've taken the percentages of cumulative dose, and that is in descending order, that is from highest to lowest. You can see that cumulative dose is taken by highest in Maharashtra, that is 9.78%. Then in Rajasthan, it's about 9.74%. Then in Uttar Pradesh, it's 9.27%. Then it's in Gujarat, that is 8.54%. As you go down, you'll see that the percentage is decreasing and as per the states. Let me show you one more graph by adding a page into it so that you can get an idea about it. Yeah, let me show you one more thing. That is, if you will right click on it, if you first click on it, then it will, if you will do it, show on table, and let me show you that Power BI visualization is constructed using data from underlying data sets. If you are interested in seeing behind the scenes, Power BI lets you to display the data that is being used to create the visual. When you select Show as Table, Power BI displays the data below the visualization. So you can clearly see the table over here with the percentage present in the graph. So you can easily find out. Same we can, I can show you with, let me go back to the report. I can show you for the comparison of pie charts. So I'll do the show as table and see and clearly see that the people taking, so you can easily view your data from. Let me do one more. Let me take which graph should I take? Um, Let me take the ribbon chart. You can take the axis over here. That is, I'll take states first. Let me take the percentage over here. Percentage of fully vaccinated people. And let me take the population with it. So I think I could not add population, but yes, I have to. See, in this ribbon chart, I can clearly, we can see that this is the light blue colors are the percentage of fully vaccinated people, and the dark blue portion have shown the population. And we can even change the color from it. Let's keep it. I'll show you that how we can do it. Let me change the data colors. That is, it's both are blue, so we have some difficulty. So Power BI gives you the feature to even change the color from it. That is, let me change the data color. Percentage of fully vaccinated people. I can take it as yellow, and I can take this as blue, so that you can see my chart completely now. Now it's the population and the percentage of fully vaccinated people. Now let me change the chart. Can take decomposition tree, or else let me take a pie chart that is of the percentage of those one, those two, both combinedly, or else this is my chart of those one and those two combined. That is pie chart. You can easily see that it's those one, it's those two. And in this, you can clearly see in every field that those one ratio is more than those two ratio, as I discussed earlier. So now you can even delete this page if you want, or else if you don't want to delete it, rename this page as anything. I'll keep it ABC for right now. Rename this page. I will keep ABC. And I'm almost done with my report. And I will always ask you that if you want to save or else you don't want to save. And I can publish it to web. I can even export it to the PowerPoint. I can even export it to the PDF. It gives me various options as I want. I can even print one of the page. I can even print whole report as I can show. Let me show you one thing. Let me export this to the PowerPoint. Yes, I'll keep the current values and I'll export it. So I think it will take a few seconds to export. So our data is ready to be exported as PowerPoint. Let me put it in the desktop itself. And our report is ready. Let me open it and show it to you. And This is my report one, and I can clearly see that all of my analysis have been exported in the form of PowerPoint, so I can easily share it with anyone. If anyone is not in my in my PowerPoint, in my Power BI account with me, any of my colleagues, or else if I want to share with any of my friends, any of my faculties, I can easily share it by exporting it as PDF, exporting it as PowerPoint, or even though I can publish it on web if I want. So as of now, I have given you the complete guidance of the Power BI tool and hope that you will be able to do anything, any data analytics by the use of this tool. And with the help of this tutorial, you will be able to know that from where, from how we can do it, from where we can take the visualizations. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you. And my name is Hema, and I'm from BTech ICT, Marwar University, and have prepared this tutorial under the guidance of my sir, that is Professor Chandrasingh Parmar. Thank you.